We got the Hot Shot. The Hot Shot machine.
Half-inch lines, buddy. I don't know what you're talking about.
3/4.
1 3/4, 1 1/2 inch, right?
Yeah.
The 3/4 pop? Do me one favor?
Was that patched in the past?
Yeah, with Scotch tape. Yep, it's blown right here, like you said. It's right here. Fragment.
Let's go take a look.
Yeah, but I'll get it without it. I'll get it.
Oh, it's a bust. This is a Pro Press special. Two busts.
Oh, shit. I don't got pine for this.
It's a good thing we got couplings. I'll put like 4 couplings in a row.
1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna go get a tubing cutter. We just with your brother.
All his soda cans in his trunk popped. I told him you better clean it up before it starts melting. Coca-Cola can busted, peeled open. He's like, oh shit.
Oh shit, you better do it now.
Before
While it's so cold.
Yeah, I
Otherwise
told
you'll never be able to clean it. You get charged end of the lease. I'm taking off this coupling.
Okay. Bend it. How we gonna get a new one in? I need that pipe. I need to measure it.
And then just like this.
Yeah, where's the bust?
2.
Got the AC out over here. Yeah, the issue's been localized. We're gonna take this out. They're gonna put a window.
1, 2,
A lot of busts.
3. Avi, where's your screw gun?
Like a drive-through. Yo, fish nuts. Does it pull in? Let me hit it a little more.
Good. God, come on, more.
Hold on.
Watch nothing. I don't want to burn down anybody's house.
Customer gives us candies. Lots of candies.
Hi, I'm
Got this
sorry.
air conditioner out. We're gonna cover it with a leftover piece of sheetrock outside.
What?
And that's all
Yes.
for now.
What's going on?
We're gonna put a split unit in come the summertime. They want a Daikin or a Mitsubishi split unit.